Let's talk about the recently launched Realme smartphone Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G with premium vegan leather design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved vision display, with 6.7-inch Full HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and with 20:9 aspect ratio. With approximately 93.65% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, with HDR10 Plus support, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 200 megapixel OIS Samsung ISOCELL Super Zoom main wide-angle camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel Sony selfie wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 4.0 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78, plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone released in 4 different storage variants, that is with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 onboard storage. The first variant is 8 GB of RAM, with 8 GB extended dynamic RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage. The second variant is 12 GB of RAM, 12 GB extended dynamic RAM, and 256 GB of onboard storage. The third variant is 12 GB of RAM, 12 GB extended dynamic RAM, and 512 GB of onboard storage. The fourth variant is 12 GB of RAM, 12 GB extended dynamic RAM, and 1 TB of onboard storage. And no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.6 by 73.9 by 8.7 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams, and the color options: sunrise beige, oasis green, astral black, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with SuperVOOC 100-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, and dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G has been expected price in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 80,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 84,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 89,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 96,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.